Hey you, yes you, my name is S10, a custom siren by my creator, so is all the other ones you are going to be seeing in this episode. My maker may put more sirens in, when he thinks of ideas. All of this is inspired by Broken Solar Panel, go check him out. Here is the sheet for the characters so far. Now enjoy the video. Man, what a nice day it is today, although it is getting kind of cloudy outside. I should not really think of it right now, let's just enjoy the day. Wow, it's only been a few minutes and it is starting to get a bit windy, and the clouds have turned dark surrounding me. Wait, is that circulation in the clouds? That is really not good. If that gets any worse then I will go. Oh my god, there is a tornado. I have to warn everyone. Oh no. Your turn. Not really sure what to place down. I have a lot of cards. Wait a minute, do you hear that? Yes, it sounds like a tornado siren going off. Let's go check it. Oh my god, look over there. Whoa, that is a really giant tornado, and it looks like it's coming closer. Yeah, let's go to my basement. Good idea. So, where exactly is your basement? It's over the... Dang it, did the power just go out? I think so, but no worries, I have a flashlight. It looks like the flashlight is out of battery. That's okay, I think I have a flashlight in my basement that has not been used in a while. So maybe it still has battery. Okay. Now where did you see your basement was? It's right over there, follow me. Oh my god, the tornado is getting close. Am, 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 am. What the? Did I fall asleep when the tornado hit? Yo bro, the tornado is over, wake up. I guess I will let him wake up on his own, but for now, let's check out the damage. Hopefully it is not that bad. Wow, I really underestimated that. This is going to take a long time to repair. Well, I guess time to call my landlord and call my friend C, if I can stay over for a bit.